Hi everybody, today's focus, I am testing OxiClean to see how well it helps me clean some baseball hats. So about 2.5 years ago, I made a video where I cleaned some of my husband's dirty baseball caps using the OxiClean Laundry Sanitizer, and the results were fantastic. So my oldest son came to me and said, "Hey mom, I have some dirty baseball caps. Are you able to clean them so that I can keep using them?" Because these are two of his favorites. And I said, "Yeah, absolutely, I can totally clean dirty baseball caps. But I only have a very little OxiClean Laundry Sanitizer left because it appears that it has now been discontinued." Which is upsetting because I actually really love this product. I've tested the OxiClean Laundry Sanitizer by cleaning baseball caps as well as doing bacteria tests on it. And it did really well. So I'm kind of disappointed that this is no longer available. So I decided to redo the tests that I did with the OxiClean Laundry Sanitizer and try those with the regular OxiClean. So these hats are nice and dirty. I'll do a close-up of them before I actually start cleaning them so you can actually see all the dirt and grime. So what I'll do is I'll just take a bucket, fill it with maybe a gallon and a half, or 2 gallons of water, and then we'll add probably a scoop or 2 of the OxiClean. Let the hats soak, scrub them, rinse them, repeat until I can get them clean. But let me go over the directions that OxiClean does have on the back of their box for using it in various ways. The first way is in the laundry, and it says add to every load, use with detergent for cleaner, brighter, whiter clothes, safe for all colors. Fill to line 1 for regular loads, more for larger, heavily soiled loads. If you have a top loader, fill it with water, add the OxiClean and detergent before adding the laundry. For a high efficiency machine, add the OxiClean powder before adding laundry. Don't mix it with detergent in the dispenser. Okay, well, that's good. There's also the option to do the pre-soak, which is kind of what I'm doing for these hats, which is to fill to line 2 to 4 per gallon of water. Submerge stained items in solution after it's dissolved. Line 2 for typical stains, line 4 for extra tough stains. Soak for 1 to 2 hours depending on the severity of the stain. Some stains may require more time to soak. For best results, 6 hours. I probably won't do 6 hours. I'll probably just let them soak for a little bit because I'm going to be scrubbing too because I really want to get this dirt off these hats. And then you can wash with the normal detergent and the OxiClean powder. But anyway, I do want to point out though here, it doesn't say anywhere that it can remove bacteria. We'll have to revisit this later. But for now, I'm going to see how well OxiClean Versatile Stain Remover helps me clean these dirty baseball caps. So the hats dried overnight. Let's take a look at them. So they look absolutely fantastic. They look brand new. OxiClean did an amazing job at helping me clean these really dirty, grimy baseball caps. Now, what you couldn't see on the camera, and I tried capturing this with my phone, I just couldn't capture it. When I put the hats in the bucket with the OxiClean and water, I could see the dirt being lifted off them. You could see the brown particles just kind of like floating up into the water. It was really incredible to watch. I did also hand wash them with a Force of Nature laundry strip and some OxiClean, but that water really wasn't very dirty. The majority of the dirt came off in the pre-soak with the OxiClean. So OxiClean does a fantastic job at removing dirt and grime from baseball caps. I'm really looking forward to testing this OxiClean in some other ways as well. If there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list, or you can mail me something. My email address is in the description below. Send me an email, let's have a conversation about the product. It might be something that I've already tested, it might be something that I have in queue at home, or it might be something I just don't have the ability to test. Send me an email and let's talk about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, have yourselves a great day.